Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we are learning how to draw curved lines. Let's open the file. How to draw curved lines. You can download it from our website. You will find I have already provided you a curve model. We are learning how to do it in this tutorial. Cool, let's find the polyline command. Select it. And then we need to draw a straight line first. How to draw it? You can hold your shift command. And then we can draw it straight. Click it and press enter to confirm your command. Cool. And then Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste. Drag this gumball. And then we can move it. If you can't find your gumball, you should turn on it here. Gumball button is here, okay? And now we are learning the first command. Select these two lines. Find your curve tools. This is edit curve tools, okay? And find this one, twin between two curves. Click it and read your command bar. Press enter to accept options and you can choose options here. If you are not very close to Rhino and you are a beginner, please read it every time, okay? I need to change my number into 16 or 18, maybe 18, and press enter to accept options. Cool. Now I have 18 lines. If we turn on the control points, this command, left click, we will find we have 2 lines of control points, right? We need some more to control our form. Select the lines and find this one, rebuild curve. Click it. We may want it to be 5 points and 3 degrees. Click OK. And now we have another 3 lines of control points. Select the middle one, these lines of control points, and we can drag them up. Now the lines form is changing, right? And you may think we can adjust the form one by one. It is very tired, and also it is not exactly the same to this one, right? How can we do it then? Let's fold back, Ctrl Z. And we are learning another command now. Select your lines, and we need to rebuild it again to have more control points, maybe 20. And click OK. Now we have much more control points, a lot of control points. Select all of them, and then we go to transform command, this one, this small triangle here. Click it, drag it out, and the second one, second small triangle. And we find this one, soft move. Click it. Read your command bar, point to move from. So we need to find a point to move. Maybe here, and then you need to draw a circle. With your command bar, you can set your radius. I just draw it. You can input 2, 3, or 4. And then read it again, offset point. Maybe at here. Select a control point to move. Press enter to accept. So it tells us we can control the control points. See, here's some control points. We can drag it bigger. And also we can adjust the height of the form, this one. A bit like this. And also you can move it. Press enter to accept. Right click to turn off your control points. Now we made a smaller one. Oh guys, have a practice and then we continue the next step. Welcome back guys, let's review what we learned before we do the next step. The first one we learned trim between two curves command, this one. And then we learned soft move command, this one. Cool. Let's do the next step. If we have a surface like this, you don't need to know how to do it now. This loft command, press enter. We will learn loft command later. I just drag it out. If we have a surface like this, how can we create these lines? Do you know it? We can go to Curve from Object Tools and find Contour command, this one. Contour. Read your command bar. Contour plane base point. I set it here. And then draw your direction. And you can input your distance between contours. I want to input 2 maybe. Cool, then we made some curve lines. Drag it out. This is the first method that we can create these lines. And the second one, let's do it. What other command can we use? We can find this one. Project curves. But before it, we can use RhinoArchSchool command. So we need to have a curve first, and then draw another curve like this. We head it, left click, head objects. We have 2 lines now. And then find the RhinoArchSchool command, this one. Select path curve, this one. And number of items. Maybe I want to choose distance between items. You can choose number of items. You can input 16. But for this one, because last one we used distance, so this one I still use distance. 2 and click OK. And then we delete this one. Right click to show your object. First we need to select all of the lines. Press Ctrl and click the surface to unselect the surface. And now we find Project Curve command, this one, left click. Read your command bar, select surface, polylines, and mesh to project onto. Select the surface, press enter. And now all of the lines on the surface already. If we move the surface not to another place, you can see all the curves on the surface, and then we just need to delete all of these lines, right? Another way we can do it is head this surface first, select all of the lines, right click to show your surface, project curves, select the surface, and you can select delete input, yes, then we press enter. Now if we head the surface, you will find no more lines in the bottom plane, right? So there are many options you can choose. Please pay more attention to your command bar next time. Cool guys, let's review what we learned. First, we can use Contour command to create the lines from the surface. This one. Contour command, this one. And then we learned RhinoArchSchool command to get our lines. The last command we used is this one, project curve. We can project curve onto the surface. Cool guys, practice it, and thank you for watching.